Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create a new property inside the Rentilium ERP system, step by step. So let's jump right in. Log into your Rentilium ERP account using your credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left sidebar. Click on the Leasing tab. Under Leasing, select Properties. And here you are. This takes you to the Property Management page. To create a new property, simply click the Create New Property button at the top right corner. This opens up a multi-step property creation form. All right, you'll need to fill out a few important fields: property name, property type, property subtype, address, latitude and longitude, enter these if required, billing method, property image. Upload some images if you have them. Once everything looks good, click Next to move forward. Next up, amenities. Here, you can list all the facilities your property offers. Just check the boxes for things like parking, gym, swimming pool, community hall, or pool table, etc. If needed, add the quantity for each amenity. Once done, click Next again. Now let's move on to the Property Owner section. You'll first choose the owner type. It can be self, existing owner, or new owner. If you're adding a new owner, you'll need to fill in their details like name, gender, phone number, email, address, zip code, state, city, and country. Make sure all mandatory fields are completed and then click Next. In this section, you'll define the rental units for your property. For each unit, fill in the unit name, like RU1, RU2, etc., unit size, sanctioned load, minimum and maximum rent price, rental unit type, like 2 BHK, 3 BHK, studio, etc. You can also associate each unit with its assets. Click Add Rental Unit to include more, and once all are done, hit Next. Finally, in the Preview and Submit step, go through all the details you've entered: property info, amenities, owners, and units. Double-check for any missing or incorrect information. If something needs editing, click Previous to go back and fix it. Otherwise, click Submit to finalize. You'll see a confirmation message, Property created successfully. And that's it. You can now see your new property listed under Properties along with all existing ones. And that's how easy it is to create a property in Rentilium ERP. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.